Hey, my name's Damion. I'm here at Lake City Cycle. This is our brand new 2023 CB650R. It's a nice modern cafe style. This design of engine actually provides ample low to mid-range torque and excellent power throughout the entire power band on the ride. It's got a brand new front fork suspension on here. They designed that to be extra lightweight, rigidity, and overall performance. It's a sweet bike, the only one that we have in here like this. Come check us out over here, right off US 30. You can give us a call at 574-269-4199.